Ryan Kelley, one stock you like in the Hennessy Large Cap Financial Fund is Wells Fargo. It's pretty much universally loved on Wall Street. So what's the catalyst to take Wells Fargo higher?
I think Wells Fargo is one of those best-of-breed companies, one of the largest banks in the nation. It's a company that's done very well for many years. Last year they grew nicely in an environment where there's really a low growth environment. And really what's going to move the stock higher over time is an increase in their earnings. They should see that as interest rates potentially get better. They could add about 25% to their earnings per share alone, just if we're in a more normal interest rate environment.
And you're also a fan of Visa. Visa may be getting a little bit pricey here. I think it trades around 22 times next year's earnings. Any inclination to trade into something cheaper, maybe Amex, because they're certainly trading much cheaper at this juncture?
We do own both of those stocks in our large cap financial fund. But Visa, we like that company because of their position in the overall global payment space. They continue to do extremely well. They've done so for quite some time. And we think that as potentially consumer spending growth increases, as people see more money, more disposable income in their pockets because of lower gas prices and an improving economy, that bodes well for companies like Visa.
And then finally, you're a fan of BankUnited. This is a bank down in Florida. It's having a great year so far. That said, Florida banks always do well until they don't. So tell me about BankUnited and why we should have so much confidence in this one.
Well, BankUnited is more of a growth story. That's a company that we own in our small cap financial fund. And it's a company that was about 3 years ago, they brought in a new management team. John Canis is the chairman, president, and CEO. He was the chairman, president, and CEO of North Fork Bank for many, many years. Grew that company from a small New York bank to a regional powerhouse and sold it out to Capital One eventually. We think that he is actually taking BankUnited and expanding into New York. It's a market he knows very well, so we think that that growth trajectory, although a little more expensive to branch into New York City, is going to pay out well over the long term.
All right, thanks a lot, Ryan.
Thank you, Greg.
Thank you for watching The Street.